friend of me is Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this Samsung. First of all, you need to access settings and scroll all the way down. Now tap on General Management, Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Samsung one. Over here, go into Keyboard Layout and Feedback, tap on Keyboard Themes and pick the best one for you. I will go with Dark. Then choose Apply, and now when I go back, as you can see, keyboard of my Samsung was successfully changed. But you can always go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gbird. Then download this free app. Come on, that one, by Google Developer, and open it. Over here, you need to select Enable in Settings, click on the switcher next to Gbird, tap on OK, choose Select Input Method, click on Gbird here, and tap on Done. Then you need to choose Home button, just to find those settings in your actual settings. Go into Samsung Settings, scroll down and tap on General Management, Language and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and over here, Gbird one. Now choose Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Over here you can select a photo that you wish to apply by tapping on it. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to choose Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Finally, click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them on or off and tap on Apply. So now when I go back and try to access my keyboard, as you can see, theme of it was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!